Look at it go! It's the highest kite in the whole world!
We did it! Together! Together, we are Fablewood Friends! That's it, Lulu! If I can't fly, I'll build something that can. I'm gonna build the biggest, best kite the forest has ever seen. Perfect! This will be the strongest kite frame ever! Just. Gotta. Hold it. Okay, now to tie it. Nice and tight. Yelp.
Oh, Blaze. It looks like you could use a little help.
It's no use, Bramble. It's just a pile of junk now.
Well, he's not wrong about that. That's the worst excuse for a kite I've ever seen. It's not junk, Blaze. It's a first draft. Every great creation starts with the wrong materials. First, we need a perfect design. One that respects the wind instead of fighting it. Wow, Orion! It's perfect!
Chirp. To the hilltop! Ah!
Not yet, Blaze. The wind is not steady. We must wait for the perfect gust.
That's it! That's the one!
Go, Blaze! G-O! Heave. It's flying! It's flying! It's really flying! We did it together!
It's the most beautiful kite in the whole world!
It isn't just a kite, is it? It's proof.
Proof of what, Orion?
Oh.
Proof that when we all work together, we can do anything, even fly.
I suppose. For a kite made of leaves and twigs, it's not the worst I've ever seen.
Thanks for helping us build our amazing kite today.
I learned that everyone has a special talent, and when we work together, we can do anything.
Enough lessons for one day. I hear there's a mysterious singing stone deep in the forest. See you then!
And don't forget to like and subscribe.